Hey everybody, my name's Tom and today we're looking at the Deity D3 V Mic Pro. I've had my hands on this mic for just over 2 months and I've used it in a couple other videos that you're able to find here on this channel. One of which being an in-studio video and another one I used it for a review. So I've used this mic both indoors and outdoors, and today we're going to be testing distance as well as testing some of the features that this mic does include. So this mic is not for long distance audio. I just thought it would be a fun little test. So we're going to map out 25 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet. I'm going to test this at just a regular normal volume. We currently have the mic set for 4. I'm going to do a couple different tests. The first test is going to be the audio level that you're hearing right now. Test it at those different increments, normal talking, and then we'll crank it all the way up and see what you guys can hear. Hey everybody, I'm 25 feet away. 25 feet right here. Clapping. So highs and lows, you should be able to hear the peaks. The microphone's still on 4 too, so on to 50. Hey everybody, I am 50 feet away. This is 50 feet right here from the mic. I just clapped. Okay, cool. On to 100. Hey everybody, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm 100 feet away. This is the 100-foot line. The lake's behind me, 100 feet. Cool. Starting to get really cold out here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to crank the microphone all the way up to 10, and I'm going to do the same test, say my distance, and then clap. All right, cool, here we go. Again, this is 4, and this is 10. So now we're going to make our way back. Hey everybody, I am currently 25 feet away from the camera and the microphone, and chances are you are hearing a lot of wind and probably a low rumble. There's snowmobiles all over the place. Okay, cool. Hey everybody, I am now 50 feet away from the camera and the microphone. Yeah, I didn't actually think about this, but I'm facing a building too, so you guys actually might be hearing echo reverb coming off the building back into the back side of that mic. But yeah, 50 feet away. Cool. Okay, and this is 100 feet away. 100 feet, this line right here. 100 feet, boom. 100 feet, 100 feet away. Yeah, so hopefully you don't hear the distant airplanes and cars and audio. Cool. And we're back on 4. There are a couple of things I want to talk about with regards to this mic and my experiences thus far. So I don't know about you, but I'm not an instruction guy. Anytime I get a product or anytime I get a new piece of gear, I rarely open these. Do you hear that? I don't even see it. You can definitely hear that with this. Here, let me crank this to 10, see if you can hear it. This is a good mic for ghost hunting. Okay, so what I was saying is I rarely read instruction manuals, and the VMic D3 Pro, I highly encourage you to read this. The one weird thing that I didn't expect was actually having to turn on the microphone itself. I know, it's simple, it's silly, but because of my experience with the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, there's no need to turn on and off a microphone. Where the Deity mic, you don't have to turn off. It goes into like a sleep mode. You do actually have to turn it on before every use. It's one of those things that you do once and you learn. So they encourage you to start the mic in level 6, kind of test your audio, and then adjust from there based on where you are, what you're shooting, camera settings, etc. So read the instruction manual. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to stand here, talk the same way to you, and then show you guys some of the low cut stuff, which actually at this point might have been nice this whole video. I want you guys to be able to hear the raw audio that comes from this. Know that in this video, all audio is currently unedited. It's out of camera, it's into my timeline, and it's exported for you to hear and make a decision about. Okay, so right now I just have adjusted the 75 hertz low cut. This is what it sounds like. How do I sound? I didn't actually check this one. Actually, that's probably what I should do, huh? Give myself an idea of how great I sound. Yeah, I sound good. Awesome. Okay, let's adjust. And this is the 150 low cut. I kind of want to hear this too. Oh yeah, that's nice. Actually, if I was shooting with this and I had this set up outside in a big echoey against a building outdoor area, I would probably adjust this knob as well. So this is what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, baby. Listen to that. Listen. That sounds so good. Oh God. All right, yeah, so this is what it sounds like with the 150 low cut. But let's adjust back to the baseline. No low cuts, back to 4. And this is going directly into my camera, directly into the timeline, directly into your ears after being uploaded. I really do like this microphone. Matter of fact, it's been my single-use microphone since I opened it and unboxed it nearly 2 months ago. It's a great mic. I like everything about it. It's got a really, really nice, clean sound, nice low end, not tinny, beautiful, beautiful sounding microphone. I'm totally unaware of the current cost of this mic, but I will definitely throw it somewhere on screen right now so you guys know roughly where that lies in your price point and if it's something you can afford. Lastly, I want you guys to know that I'm working on a new video. The video is a face-off between Deity's VMic D3 Pro and Rode Mic's Video Pro Plus. Both incredible microphones, but I'm gonna put all the audio out there for you guys to judge. So if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss it. I'll make sure to throw up the unboxing, so if you guys haven't watched that, you know what exactly comes in the package that you buy from Deity. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.